Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your servant teachers. Irfan Ali Durani member. I have come here to teach you Sindhi basic language for foreigners. So, inshallah, I have made some preparation in this regard to teach you with the new methods. So, inshallah, if you do according to my will and my consent and my consultation, inshallah, you will be better to understand this language. So we will come here now. See here, this is for the Sindhi language for foreigners only. Now this is the today we have a lesson of the revised lesson. So this is the Alabedi Patti. In Sindhi we say that Alabedi Patti. In English we say Alabed. It means the letters, the letter chart of the Sindhi alphabets. Now come here, this mere here, you follow with me now. Alif, Be, in Sindhi we say Be, Be, Bhe, Te, The, Te, Te, Se, Pe, Jim, De, Je, Ne, Pe, Jim, Ye, Je, Ne, Che, Che, Hai, Khai, Dal, Dhal, Dal, Dal, Dhal, Zal, Re, Re, Ze, Sin, Shin, Swat, Zwat, Toa, Zoa, Ain, Gain, Fe, Phe, Kaf, Kaf, Khe, Gaf, Ge, Ghe, Nge, Lam, Mim, Noon, Vav, Re, He, Hamza, Ye. These are the sounds of the Sindhi alphabets, and now I will teach you that this one we say in Sindhi we say Aleph, in English we say A. Yes, look at here. This is a B, and in sound Be. In Sindhi, Be. In English format, the B is used. Okay, Be. This is a B-H-A-I, Be. Be, Te, Te, Se. These are the sound of the Sindhi language of the alphabet. Now, in English, we say Be. B-H is used. Be. 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 This one is the Te. Te. This one is the Te. Okay. Te in Sindhi, Te. Se. Pe. Jim. De. Je. Ne. In English, we say Te. In Sindhi, in English, we say Te. Se. Pe. This one is in Sindhi, we say Jim. In English, we say, we use G, J and G. Both letters are used for this Jim. Jim, for an example, we say, we look at here, G, when I-E-Y is used before G, the sound comes Jim. For example, G-I-T, JIT, not GIT. This is a JIT. G-E, dental. This one is a dental. So sound of the, this one is the compound letter of the G and E is the Jim in Sindhi. So keep must remember that as you already know that when I-E-Y comes after G, the sound of the G in Sindhi comes. Okay, come here now. Hai, this is Hai, Khai, Dal, Dal. Now, Che, in Che, Hai, Khai, Dal, Dal. In Sindhi we say Che. In English we say Che. CH is used. This is a sound chart. Now Che. In Sindhi we say Che. In English C-double-H. Hai. This is Hai. H is used. Khai. In English we use KH. So Dal we use D. Dal we use DH. Dal we use DH in English. Dal we use DH. Dal DH. Zal we use Z in English. So come here now. Re we use R. Re we use RH. Re. This is the strong sound. Strong sound means heavy sound. Z in Sindhi, Z is used. Sin, we use S and C. For example, C, cigarette. There is the same rule applied cigarette. And same rules apply when I, E, and Y. When these comes after the C, the sound of the seen is used. As the same in this procedure here seen in Sindhi. In English we use S or A C I. Both are used in same sound as in the Sindhi seen. Okay. When you see CY or CE and CY, for an example, cycle, CICLE, cycle, CY, same sound of the C. Sheen, we use sheen, in English we use SH. Now come here, Zohar, S is used, Zohar, Z is used, Tohar, T is used, Zohar. Z, Zoe, Z is used, Ain, A is used, Gain, GH is used, Fe, F is used. For an example, fan, we use F instead of this Sindhi letter Fe, Pe, we use PH. This is a heavy sound. Cough, we use Q. In English, we also use Q. Seldom we use Q, and sometimes we use K. This is the heavy sound. So this is Q is used for the cough. Okay, cough K. This one is the K. K is used cough. G, GH is used. G, GH is used. Nye, GH is used in English. L, lam. This is the lam. L is used. M,